Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the Nasdaq index as it falls sharply in trading here today, despite the lower inflation data as the markets shift from the Nasdaq into the Russell 2000, small cap Russell 2000 in trading here today. What will make it last from a technical perspective? I'm going to talk about it in this video. The Nasdaq index has made 7 new consecutive all-time highs over the last 7 trading days. And that storybook move had to come to an end, and that end seems to be today. The current Nasdaq index is down around 356 points, or minus 1.91%. And when you look at that sharp decline, you have two things in mind. One, what would add to the bearishness from a technical perspective, and two, what might turn this ship around going forward. So I'm going to talk about that in this video. First things first, this is the rotation to the upside, and actually the price has been moving steadily higher since this low back here, back around May 22nd, I guess. And the first leg to the upside saw the price move up to this level right here, and then correct. That correction was short of the 38.2% retracement before we started the next leg to the upside. And this correction to the downside was again short of the 38.2% retracement. And so here we are on the third leg to the upside since our low back here on the 21st, 22nd. And the correction of this leg, which is shorter than the prior 2 legs, has come down and tested that 38.2, got within, at least a whisper of that 38.2 at 18222.55. The low price today came in at 18238.78. So got within 16 points of that 38.2% retracement. Now, in a healthy market, holding 38.2% retracement on a correction is good news. As long as the price can hold that level, that's going to be good news for the future of this stock indice. However, if the price were to go below that level, then it opens the door for further selling. In trading here today, we also moved below this black line right here, which represents the 50-hour moving average. I'm looking at the hourly chart here because that's where you're going to get the fastest technical change here. So the sellers had their shot below the 50-hour moving average, but couldn't get to the 38.2% retracement. That gives the buyers the edge right now, with the current price trading at 18276, above the 38.2 and above the 50 bar moving average at 18263.82. So right now, if you're a trader in the Nasdaq index, you would be hoping that these levels hold. Now, what happens if the price doesn't hold these levels? Well, if we break below the 50 bar moving average or 50-hour moving average again and below the 38.2% retracement, you'd expect to see more selling come in, and that selling would then next target the 50% retracement level, and then we'd look toward this 100-hour moving average, which is moving to the upside and moving back closer to that 50% retracement. So we could expect that the market would head down toward those levels. Of note here is that back here on this day right here, what did the market do? It bounced right off of that 100-hour moving average after moving below the 50-hour moving average here and started its rotation to the upside. So this was a key test and a key bounce off of that 100-hour moving average back here. We got within, close distance of that 100-hour moving average, and also bounced higher. So the importance of the 100-hour moving average is do not underestimate the importance of that 100-hour moving average, especially as it moves toward the 50% of the last leg to the upside as well. If those two levels come in together, that's going to be a tough level to crack. But if broken, it should lead to lower levels. After all, the price has not been below the 100-hour moving average since this point right here, and it's been trending. Even this break to the downside couldn't get to that 38.2% retracement before moving back to the upside. So be aware of that. But remember, in a trending market, the sellers have to prove that they can take control. And today they're trying to prove it, but they fell short of the 38.2 on the first look. We'll see if they can extend below that level going forward. And if they can, then look for that 100-hour moving average at 50% retracement to possibly be tested. And then there'll be another question and another answer for the markets to digest. My name is Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.